Salutations, sisters. Hello, my name is Maria. This is Love Party Paint. Hey, sisters. Hey, sisters. Hey, sisters. Hey, sisters. I bet you're wondering why I keep saying hey, sisters. It's because today we are going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial. And we are going to be following his Pinky Drinky makeup tutorial. Now, this is going to be very challenging. One, because he's doing it with makeup, and I will be using acrylic paint. And two, I will be doing it on this lovely canvas. Look at, I'm like a Bob Barker babe.
Come on down! You're the next contestant on The Price is Right!
The price is wrong, bitch.
I think this is going to be super challenging and super fun. Meet me back at the canvas. Meet me back at the canvas. And sisters, meet me back at the canvas. And meet me back at the canvas. Hey, sassy sisters. Thanks for meeting me back at the canvas. How I'm going to do this is I'm just going to watch his tutorial and I'll periodically check in with you guys and tell you how it's going. And I will be taping most of the process. Taping? What the hell?
We are out here at the Cheney Care Center, and I am sitting next to, this is Flossie Dickey, and you say you're a little tired this morning, is that right?
I am tired.
I heard your favorite activity to do at the center here is to take a little nap.
Take a nap.
And you guys get to laugh at me while I'm trying to recreate this magical look. So really, I'm just going to be doing the drink and then the little strawberries and stuff that he has along with it. I think I have most of the colors that he used in his tutorial, or really similar at least. So you guys can watch along and laugh at me while I probably completely screw this up. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be super sassy, sisters. God, these pants are so tight. I'm like busting out. Stuffed like a sausage, sister. How I'm going to be recreating his tutorial is on my canvas here. Well, it's actually paper canvas, but you didn't need to know that, girl. Screw it up, sister. Not gonna slay it, sister. Sad, sister. What's another S word? Singing, sister.
Oh my god.
No. Sewing? No, I'm painting. I'm not sewing. That just sounds so stupid.
Duh.
I think it's going to be really interesting listening to makeup artists give instructions and trying to apply that to painting. Trying to apply that to painting. So, sisters, if you're ready, let's get slapping that sister paint down on the canvas. Seriously.
Shadow work just as well. I know this looks ridiculous right now, but give it a few seconds. It's gonna come together. And now I'm gonna grab a tiny little liner brush and dip into the shade a little bit of Daddy from my palette and then a little bit of E1 from the Raven palette. Pretty much makes like the exact Starbucks green. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing.
I'm not yet there yet.
I'm upset.
I am not there yet.
I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck.
Okay, in his picture that I saw, he has like little white highlights on the drips. So I'm gonna recreate that, even though he doesn't show that on his video. But I'm gonna do it because that's what the picture looks like.
I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck.
I already screwed it up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I screwed up the freaking black line. How did I do that? All I have to do is outline a little droplet, and I already screwed it up. So we're off to an awesome start.
I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. I'll give a
James, I'm a puppy mommy too. And let me tell you what, they're a handful. Oh, God! Stop barking at that cat! That's so rude! Stop it! That's so mean, Choppy. Be nice, Choppy. Oh, for God's sakes! Oh my God, me too. So I finished the drips, the droplets, and honestly, James, if you're watching this, which you're not, or maybe you are, they look like sperm.
Cannot make an even straight line.
Oh my God, neither can I. I'm pumped for this part. Too bad you can't draw out what you're doing on your face before you do it. Like painting, you can draw out the strawberry before, oh, actually you probably could. You could do it with like white eyeliner or something like that. James, that's a tip for you. Next time you draw your strawberry or draw something on your face, do it with white eyeliner first, so then it's easier to fill in.
I don't give a fuck. 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 I don't give a fuck.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile. It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard.
Okay, so I have the strawberry done. Well, I guess I don't need to show you because you guys were just watching me make it. He didn't like it so much. I kind of like how mine turned out, sort of. The seeds don't look that good, but then again, I'm following instructions for makeup while I'm painting, so probably not going to be perfect, but it looks pretty good.
Looks okay, but it's time to move on, for sure. Now it is time for the other eye, and this eye is going to be the actual pink drink. Okay, let's outline the drink first.
What? Choppy? Do you want to go outside? Or do you want to just cry? You want to go outside? Or you just want to cry? Come here. Come here. Come here, Cha-Cha. Come here. Want to say hi? Come here. Come here. You want to say hi? Here. Here. Come here, Cha-Cha. Come here, Cha-Cha. Come here, Cha-Cha. Come here, Cha-Cha. Say hi. Say hi. See, James? I'll have a puppy too. I'm a puppy mommy. I'm a real mommy, but I'm also a puppy mommy. And he's so cute and sweet, and he's only 6 months old, and he's terrible. He's really bad, and he eats everything up. Don't you? I love you, Cha-Cha. I love you. You're so naughty.
I don't give a fuck. 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 I don't give a fuck.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile. It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard.
So I've done most of the drink, and I'm gonna watch him a little bit to see what he's doing now. I just thought I'd check in. It's looking pretty good. but I have to fix a couple things. But other than that, we're doing good. Did you used to be an artist, James Charles? Like an actual artist? I bet you were. I mean, makeup artistry is real art. I used to be a makeup artist. But I'm saying, I bet you used to paint or something of that nature.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so what I'm going to do with mine is I'm going to outline mine in a little bit of a darker shade of pink, just to like define it. Then I'll go in and work on the green Starbucks logo, and I'll zoom in so you guys can watch that process.
I don't give a fuck. 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 I don't give a fuck.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out so far. His direction has been pretty good for the most part. Some of the things obviously are going to be a little bit different because I'm dealing with paint and not makeup, like I said, like 1,000 times. So I'm going to wait for the green paint to dry, and I'm going to move on to like the next part of his video.
Lines that are like the
I already
little
did that.
lines. I'll see the turtles and I oops.
Seriously, I hear that like 20
You guys are
times
supposed
a
to be
day,
done. Okay, now
and
just
I,
add some green liner to match the
my daughter really is a
left-hand
visco girl,
side.
and it's so embarrassing. Okay, so I'm gonna do the straw and the lid. I swear he didn't show the lid. I'm pretty sure he didn't show himself doing the lid, but I am going to do the lid and the straw, and then I think I'm pretty much done other than the lady. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom you in again, and then we'll probably be done in a little bit.
I don't give a fuck. 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 I don't give a fuck.
It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile. It's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard.
Okay, so this is my final painting. I think everything except for the label turned out well. She looks like a very angry sister. She looks like a Starbucks ripoff. Starbucks ripoff. This Pinkity Drinkity is from Starbucks. Kind of difficult to take direction from a makeup artist when you're trying to apply that to paint. Obviously, there's a lot of differences. But I had a lot of fun anyway, and I kind of like how it turned out, sort of, other than the lady looking so mad. But, yeah, I guess just, like a year from there.
Did I have a stroke?
Thanks for watching, and I have new videos out every Wednesday, And I really appreciate everybody who has hung out with me through this whole thing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video, tell all of your friends
I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that.
about how amazing I am. I'd really appreciate that. Salutations, sisters. A sassy sister day or a sassy sister night. And goodbye, James. Thanks for watching my video.
Guys, I am so incredibly grateful.
I'm just kidding.
Bye, bitches.
Bye, bitches. Okay. Salutations. Sayonara, sisters.
What the hell?